I don't know what to say, man. Dude. You can't make this up, dude. Trade recap for Monday, March 2nd. Let me just turn on the executions here so y'all can see. Break even on this trade. Break even. Break even. Break even. Break even. Break even. Oh my gosh, dude. So these are the executions. Just so y'all know, I'm not making this up. And I don't know what we're doing right now, Top Step. All right, that's enough. Let's get into the recap. As always, bias coming into the morning was actually bearish. We sold off overnight, and I wanted to be bearish. I wanted to continue to hold bear structure. However, if obvious displacement higher through the 1 hour gap and internal highs could potentially long to new week opening gap, would have to be super confirmed though. And I mean, that's what happened. We incredibly confirmed the push up to the new week opening gap on NQ. You can see the gap up here, and the original bullish bearish structure coming into the morning. So my original mindset was I want to see us close below these swing lows on like the 5-minute chart or displace past them, and then target this sell side down here. Unless we just completely blow through this and book it to the new week opening gap. And we ended up booking it to the new week opening gap. Super volatile. Super volatile move here, and you can see market opens right here. We literally pumped like 280 points in total, which is insane. So at this point in time, I'm like, okay, there's no way in hell we don't come up and actually fill this new week opening gap. So I'm looking to just get filled on literally any sort of entry that I can justify with a somewhat safe stop loss, and that's exactly what I did. We opened up this gap here, and we had gaps all the way through here, but my thinking was, okay, I'm going to limit order right here to where I can get a 1-to-1 at the end of this 1-minute gap, because realistically, if we're going to retrace all the way back down here to the market open candle to where my stop loss is, realistically, if that should not happen if we're going to deliver to the new week opening gap. Realistically, if this happens, then I just take a loss. Oh well, like we're just not going to deliver. I don't expect this to happen whatsoever. I was expecting a quick retrace, tap, and a quick move back up, and we got the quick retrace, and we just stalled around for 23 minutes. Then we stop me out at break even, and then we deliver. And this delivery is complete garbage. After this efficient, volatile move, and we just chop around for 20 minutes. I don't even know what to say, dude. Like, I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say. Obviously, the market isn't out to get me, because it's never out to get you. But, dude, like, these past couple weeks have been so rough, considering the fact that I know where the market's going to go, you know, and it's still been incredibly rough with these break evens. And then on Friday I should have went break even, but I didn't, and it came back to haunt me. But like, bro, these break evens are insane. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say at this point. And have to go break even. We took the internal high here. We're literally half a point away from taking the first part of this new week opening gap. 2.5 points away. And when I say new week opening gap, I'm talking about the part of the gap that hasn't yet been filled. Obviously, this was the original gap that was put in. We came up and filled part of it. So when I'm talking about and referencing the new week opening gap, I'm talking about the part that is still a gap in price that has not yet been filled. It's also an hourly swing high if we go to the hourly chart. So this is what I'm talking about. It's crazy to me that we just stall around here for this long and then stop me out to the tick and then deliver price. It's crazy to me. And what can I do? What can I do? This was the most justified entry that I could have possibly taken, in my opinion. Literally almost bottom ticked it. Could not have been a better entry for this scenario. We come up, take the internal high. We even close above it. And you have to get 2.5 ticks away from taking the first part of the new week opening gap. You have to go break even. Have to go break even here. And we chop around for 20 minutes and then stop me out and then deliver. It's just insane. I don't know what else to say. I'm not just going to rant on for an hour, so that's pretty much it. That's the trade recap. And like I said in the last video, I feel like my P&L does not even come close to justifying how well I've been able to read these charts since getting this new XFA, and how well, yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. Brutal though, just brutal break even. And I've had about enough of these. I'm not gonna lie. I've had about enough of these over the past couple weeks. So that's the trade recap. Just insane delivery, and it shouldn't. A break even should not affect me this much. It really shouldn't. No capital is lost. But dude, like, let's be for real right now. Like, dude, I oh my gosh, dude. So, and it shouldn't affect me. This break even should not affect me because there's literally nothing I could have done differently. The break even from last week when I got greedy and scaled in, thus my break even point got moved up, and then I got break even, and then we ran to TP. That's on me, and that should bother me, and it did bother me the whole day because that was on me. This right here, there's literally nothing I could have done differently. Literally nothing. So, and the reason I was so aggressive with that entry, like I said, is this is the first 5-minute candle of the market open. There's just no way we do not go and take the new week opening gap. But when we start to chop around like this and we get the retrace and we take the internal high, like, I just have to go break. I have to go break even. So I don't go break even on the trade from Friday, and it kills me for a max loss, almost half my drawdown, because I was risking insanely heavy. I go break even today, stops me out to the tick, and runs to take profit. It's just, you know. And this break even wouldn't bother me as much if I had followed my rules and actually gone break even on the previous trade. So I wouldn't be in such a big drawdown right now. Just the emotions of trading, but nothing I could have done differently here. So that's the trade recap. Long week ahead. Just going to, once I'm finished with this video, I'm going to close the charts and not look at them until 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. Market opens at 8:30 for me. I'm not going to look at a single candle. And just move on, journal it, and that's all I can do. That's literally all that is in my control. That is all I can do. So that's all I'm gonna do. But yeah, man. Um, Brutal stuff the past couple weeks. I will see y'all tomorrow in tomorrow's market recap. Peace.